Hello, gardening enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of pinto beans, exploring the 15 ways to cultivate this versatile legume in your backyard garden. Firstly, let's identify a sunny location with well-draining soil. Pinto beans thrive in soil that's rich in organic matter and with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Secondly, plant your seeds 1-2 inches deep and space them 3-4 inches apart to ensure proper growth. Thirdly, consider using a trellis or cage to support the vines and facilitate efficient climbing. Fourthly, provide a sturdy support system for the beans to climb on and maintain consistent moisture levels without overwatering. Fifthly, add compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil fertility and enhance nutrient availability for your plants. Sixthly, use a bean inoculant to enhance nitrogen fixation from the air, which helps plants better utilize nutrients from the soil. Seventhly, space rows of pinto beans 2-3 feet apart to allow for ample sunlight exposure and air circulation around each plant. 80. Give your plants plenty of room to grow. They can reach up to 8 feet tall. Ninthly, stake taller varieties using stakes driven into the ground alongside each plant. This will help keep them upright as they grow taller. Lastly, prune off some leaves on side shoots in July or August for increased yield by giving more energy directly to main stems, where harvestable pods form most abundantly on top of main leaves near the top of each stem below main leaf, where harvestable pods form most abundant. Yes, that's it, folks. These are the 15 ways to grow pinto beans in your garden. With these tips and techniques at your disposal, you're ready to start cultivating this versatile crop yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks coming soon. Happy gardening, everyone!